Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You all have been writing on Instagram, Ambika, show your makeup. How do you do it? Please make a YouTube video on that. And finally, here I am. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm using currently, and we'll be doing this makeup video together. Also, we'll be doing a little chit chat. So stay with me and let's do the makeup. So starting off with the face, I've not done anything right now. I've just washed my face. I'm gonna clip my hair and use the toner and moisturizer, and post that I'll start the makeup. So let's begin the video. Starting off with the toner, so I'm using this Tilted Milk Skin Toner, and this one is for refreshing skin and moisturizing and soothing. I've heard so much about this and I really wanted to try this. Take a little bit in our hand. This feels so refreshing. It's just so important to do good skincare before doing your makeup, because makeup का जो look है ना वो आपके skincare पे बहुत ज़्यादा depend करता है. So it's just so important to pick the right products before makeup. जैसे मैंने देखा है usually लोग कहते हैं ना कि makeup artists are charging so much, and ऐसे normal parlor से भी you guys can get the makeup done, but why do बुक अ प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट जब जैसे किसी आप पार्टी में आप जाते हो या फिर आपकी वेडिंग या एंगेजमेंट होती है. बट ट्रस्ट मी, दीज पीपल यूज गुड प्रोडक्ट्स, और लाइक ट्रस्ट मी, मतलब अच्छे प्रोडक्ट से और बेसिक प्रोडक्ट से मेकअप में बहुत डिफरेंस आता है. सो आई हैव अप्लाइड द टोनर एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये टोनर अप्लाई करके. नाउ आई विल अप्लाई द मॉइस्चराइजर. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस मॉइस्चराइजर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस इज कॉल्ड, Emulisse. It's actually a French moisturizer, so you guys can see and take a screenshot of it. I don't really know how to pronounce this, but it is such a good moisturizer. Makeup के लिए तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये. And it is slightly thick also, तो आपको काफ़ी अच्छी मॉइस्चराइजिंग मिल जाएगी. सो स्किन केयर इज़ डन. और मैं हमेशा भूल जाती हूँ क्लिप्स लगाना बालों में, और जब भी मैं स्किन केयर या मेकअप कर रही होती हूँ तो मुझे रियलाइज़ होता है जब मेरे बाल मेरे चेहरे पे आ रहे होते हैं कि आई नीड टू अप्लाई द क्लिप्स. सो आई एम गोना अप्लाई द क्लिप्स नाउ. ये वाली क्लिप्स ना, I've purchased a bunch of this from Shein. I really like these clips. मतलब ये बालों को इतने अच्छे से होल्ड करके रख लेती है कि मेकअप करना और सब चीज़ें बहुत ईजी हो जाती हैं. So skincare we have done, and now we'll apply the primer on the face. Because I'm not going out, I'm just filming this to show you all how I do my makeup. I'm not going to apply the sunscreen, but if you're going out, then must apply the sunscreen after moisturizer, and then you can apply your primer. I'm using this primer from ELF. This is Poreless Putty Primer. I absolutely love this. ये इतना अच्छा matte finish देता है. You guys can see my skin is already skinning with good skincare. Makeup से पहले तो it's just a must. You guys can see a little shine also on my cheeks. So for this makeup video, I'm not going to use a lot of product. I'll try to keep things simple. So now we'll apply the foundation, because we have already applied the primer. And the foundation that I'm gonna use is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Foundation. If you guys can see, that's the bottle. So I'll be using this Hollywood Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. And before applying the foundation, I always apply the setting spray. This one is also from Charlotte Tilbury. This is their airbrush setting spray. So I'm gonna apply this on my face first. जब तक ये सेटल हो रहा है स्किन पे, तब तक हम अपनी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को पानी में 3 बार अच्छे से रिंस करेंगे. मतलब आपको उसको पानी के अंदर डाल के रखना है, और जब तक वो अच्छे से पानी को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर लेता है तब तक आपको उसको पानी में रखना है. एंड देन यू हैव टू वॉश इट ताकि पानी सारा चला जाए. यू हैव टू डू दिस 3 times. So here we have our sponges ready, and जो हमने फेस पे स्प्रे करा था सेटिंग स्प्रे, वो भी अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो गया है. सो नाउ विल अप्लाई द फाउंडेशन. And now you keep it like for 2 seconds, ताकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा जब गीला होता है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा वेट होता है ना फाउंडेशन, तो वो ब्लेंड करने में प्रॉब्लम करता है. लाइक वो पूरा हट जाता है ब्लेंड करते करते. तो अगर यू हैव टू वेट फॉर लाइक 2-3 seconds एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट ब्लेंडिंग. First you have to blend it with light hands so that it can reach all the areas and you are not like removing the product. This is blending so smoothly. इतना सिंपल तरीके से ब्लेंड हो रहा है. यू जस्ट हैव टू कीप योर हैंड वेरी लाइट. ब्लेंड करते वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ ब्लेंड करोगे या बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श तरीके से ब्लेंड करोगे तो प्रोडक्ट सारा रिमूव हो जाएगा. I think it's all blended and now we'll take a little bit of product on our neck and then we'll blend it on our neck as well. वरना चेहरा अलग दिखेगा और नेक अलग. I try to blend it on my face first and then I use anything on my neck. So now we'll apply the concealer. I have 2 concealers. Both of them are from Huda Beauty and both of them are in different shades. One is lighter and the other one is slightly darker. So I use this double concealing technique so that I can hide my under eyes properly. But this is efficient if you don't have any color corrector. So if you like have dark circles and you don't have any color corrector, you can take a darker concealer and a lighter concealer and you can apply your darker concealer first, blend it and then apply your lighter concealer to give that nice flawless finish and you can hide your dark circles of your under eyes. But I am going to use the color corrector. This one is also from Huda Beauty. This is their mango color corrector. I recently got this one, so I'll not be doing the double concealing today. I'll just be using slight color corrector and then I'll be using my concealer. Some people do color correction and concealing before foundation, but I like to do it after foundation. So whatever works with you, you can do that. You just have to apply 3 dots, not a lot of product, and wherever you have like dark spots, dark patches, you can use it there. I think that's pretty much of the product that I need. So आपको उसको बहुत ज़रा सा लगाना है यहाँ पे, जैसे अंडर आई के पास और यहाँ जहाँ आपको लगता है कि आपके डार्क एरियाज हैं सिर्फ वहाँ पे. And then you again have to wait for 2 seconds. Let the product settle on your skin for 2 seconds and then you will blend it. You just have to blend it with the lightest of light hand possible. Because I have dark area on my eyelid as well, so I'll be taking the product over to my eyelid. Same we'll do with this. We'll just blend it here and take the excess product onto our lids. So the color corrector is done and now we'll apply the concealer. I'll be using the lighter shade of Huda Beauty concealer. Again, you have to apply it exactly the way you have applied your color corrector. Just apply it on those spots and you just have to apply a very minimal amount. You don't have to over apply the product. Just 3 dots under your eyes and the areas where you have applied your color corrector. I'll make another video someday where I'll be showing you guys how you can do this color correction and concealing thing before your foundation. So it's all done. Our base is all done. Now I'll be taking this Laura Mercier loose powder and I'll be applying a little bit under the area where I've done the color correction. So I'll be taking a sponge like this, a triangular one, and I just take a little bit of this product and I'll just dab it so that the excess product is removed. And then you just have to apply on the areas where you have done the concealing. So I did a little bit this side. So just applied a little bit extra, as you can see here, and we'll just leave it for like 2-3 minutes while I do my eyes, and then I'll just blend this up everything. So I'm not applying like an excess. So जब मैं K Beauty वाला loose powder use करती हूँ तो मैं काफ़ी सारा apply करती हूँ and then I brush it off. But because I'm using this L'Oreal Mercier, इसके particles बहुत ही ज़्यादा fine है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा product लगा के उसको हटाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just take a little bit of it and you can apply it, and then you can just wash it off अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. Otherwise you can blend it on your eyes and the areas where you have applied it. So we'll do our eye makeup, and I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm using this palette. This is from Nykaa. This is the oldest palette that I have, and it has these perfect 4 colors that are absolutely like perfect, easy to go, and it has the perfect brown shades for creating those smoky eye effect sort of thing. So I'll be taking the dark brown first, and I'll take a little bit of this and I'll just blend it on my eyes. I'll show you guys for one eye and then I'll just do the other eye on my own off camera. You have to just do it in the circular motion. You have to keep more product over the eyelid, and जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर तक जाते जाओगे वैसे वैसे आप उसको लाइट करते जाओ धीमे धीमे. लाइक मतलब ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स को आप यहाँ पे आईलिड पे लगाओ और उसको ब्लेंड करो, और उसी को ब्लेंड करते करते टेक दैट प्रोडक्ट अपने आई पे ऊपर टिल योर आईब्रोज. मेक श्योर यहाँ पे ऊपर साइड में डार्क बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट ना हो, अदरवाइज इट विल लुक वेरी वियर्ड. And then just blend it nicely, the entire thing. Take your time. Don't be in like a lot of rush. Once this is done, then you can take a kajal pencil. So I have this one. This is from ELF. So I have this kajal pencil and I'm gonna use this on my eye. Like I'll just create eyeliner effect sort of thing. You don't have to be perfect here, you can just simply create a normal line. So here you have, and now you have to take another brush. I'm taking this one. This is a very small brush, and now you have to blend this whole kajal that you have applied over your eyes in all circular manner to create that smoky eye effect. I like to keep it very light and very minimal, but if you want कि आप उसको थोड़ा सा dark करना चाहते हो, then you can take more of your kajal and like just apply it here like this. जहाँ पे आपने अप्लाई करा है सबसे पहले आपको वहीं पे स्मच करना है उसको easily. So that's it. If you want to apply glitter, you can apply glitter, but if you don't want to, then you can skip it and you can just have like a simple smoky eye effect. I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter. So I have these glitters. One is this purple one and the other one is slightly on the brown shade. I'll be taking a brown shade one. I'll take it from my finger and I'll just apply it here and like blend it to give that slight shine. I'll do the same process on the other eye. So that's it. Eyeshadow thing is done, and now I'll apply the eyeliner. So for eyeliner, to create that perfect wing sort of situation, I use a marker eyeliner, this eyeliner pencil sort of thing that is actually in like a marker thing, you can see. So I'm gonna use this. So first what I'll do is I'll just create like a wing situation from here. Just one line, and then I'll take another line from here. I'll just zoom this up for you all. You guys can see, and I'll just fill this up. And for here, this portion, I'll again take a line from here and I'll just drag it a bit downward. To create that cat eye effect sort of thing. So once this is done, I'll take my normal eyeliner, that liquid eyeliner thing, and I'll just make a line and just add both of these wings that I've created in the inner corner and outer corner. If you're like an expert and you can make it from your normal eyeliner, then that's like normal liquid liner, then that's perfect. For me, I have to use both of these products. I'll do the same thing this side. That's it. So we have created our eyeliner. I sometimes likes to create this, cat eye sort of eyeliner, but sometimes I just keep it very minimal, just a slight wing. So today I just wanted to do a little extra, and now we'll just brush this entire off before we do our mascara. You just have to do it in a way like you're blending it up and just removing the extra. So you just blend slightly and remove whatever you feel is extra. I haven't applied a lot of the powder here, so there's not much to remove. So that's it. Now we'll make our eyebrow. I'm using this clear eyebrow gel first. This is from ELF. I really like it. It's more like a eyebrow wax sort of thing to give it a nice natural shape. आईब्रो बनाने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका होता है सिर्फ इसको ऐसे ऐसे करके ब्रश करो. That's it. इससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा नेचुरल फिनिश आता है. And then I'm using my eyebrow precise pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. I'll just wait 2 minutes to let this eyebrow gel dry up. And now we'll make this. बिकॉज हमने आईब्रो जो जेल था उसको ऐसे ऐसे करके हमने ब्रश किया था, तो आपको अपने आई पेंसिल को भी उसी डायरेक्शन में ब्रश करना है. So once you have done your eyebrow filling, just take the eyebrow brush and just brush your eyebrows. इससे क्या होगा, जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स आपने अपने आईब्रो पे लगाए हैं वो सारे एक दूसरे में ब्लेंड हो जाएंगे, and this will give you the most natural eyebrow finish. So yeah, eyebrows done, and now we'll apply our mascara. So I'm using this mascara from Forever 52. This is my all-time favorite mascara. It just lifts my lashes so perfectly, and this is also waterproof. eyelash लगाने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका होता है कि अपने eyelash के bond को ऐसे रखो and lashes को नीचे करके and then आपको अपने wand को ऊपर करना है. So just place it here, keep your lash and then take your wand upwards. Apply a little bit mascara on your lower lashes. Do the same thing on the other side. That's it, our eyes are all done, and now I'll apply the compact. I'm using this one. This is from Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Compact Powder. That's powder. I'm taking the same sponge with which I did my under eye powder. So I'll take this a little bit and I'll just tap and apply it all over your face. If you're using Charlotte Tilbury products, I must say try incorporating most of their products, क्योंकि उन सबका एक दूसरे के साथ combination is just perfect. Like मतलब अगर आप फाउंडेशन लगा रहे हो Charlotte Tilbury का, use the compact from Charlotte Tilbury. If you're using like a Bobbi Brown का फाउंडेशन, then use Bobbi Brown का compact, क्योंकि उन दोनों का combination बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. Like जिस भी ब्रांड का फाउंडेशन लगाते हो, use the compact of that brand. So I'll just take a little bit of it and I'll apply it on my neck as well. क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे भी फाउंडेशन लगाया था तो हम इसको नहीं मिस कर सकते. That's it. Now I'll apply the blush. I'm using this blush from Rare Beauty. This one is their Beloved. I'll just take a very tiny amount, and these are really pigmented. You don't have to over apply it. I'll just take 3 dots, and with the same beauty blender with which I did my whole makeup, I'm just gonna blend this up in the upward direction. A very minimal amount on my nose. That's it. The blush is all done, and now I'll apply the highlighter. I'm using this luminizer. This again is from Rare Beauty. I just take very little and I'll apply here on the high ends. So I'll just blend this with my hand here also, a little bit luminizer that I've added. Slight shine, and that's that. We have done everything. We have done our eyebrow, foundation, blush, luminizer. Now it's time to do the lipstick. I'm gonna do the lip lining. I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner. So I have a bunch of these and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna make the lip lining. And I have options in lipstick. First I have this e.l.f. one, and this is also a very pretty brown shade. And then I have this shade from L'Oreal. This one is shade 137. L'Oreal one is slightly darker and the e.l.f. one is slightly lighter. So I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. one, which is slightly lighter. I really love the packaging of this e.l.f. lipstick. It has this magnetic thing, so it just closes by itself. And I'm applying a gloss. This one is from Fenty Beauty. This one is in the shade Ready. It is such a beautiful light brown shade, and it goes with almost all the brown shade lipsticks, and it just makes it look perfect. So that's the makeup. Now we'll just set this all up with the setting spray. Again, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It will just blend the entire makeup. Meanwhile, I'll remove the clips and set my hair a bit. So that's our makeup. I'm absolutely loving it. The gloss has just added so much, definition to this whole makeup. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more skincare, makeup, fashion and traveling videos on my channel. So stay tuned. See you guys. See you in the next video. Love you all.